Factorising harder quadratics using the grid method. I've made another video on factorising the easier type of quadratics using the grid, as well as a video on factorising and solving quadratics without a grid. And I've also got a video on expanding quadratics, which I'd recommend you watch as well. Okay, so example 1, factorise 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. With this method, the trick is that the diagonals in the grid will always multiply to give you the same thing. You start by filling in the top left, which is 2x squared, and the bottom right, 12. That just comes from the first and last terms in the expression. And then you multiply them together, in this case, to get 24x squared. You then need to think of two numbers which multiply to give 24x squared, but at the same time add to give 11x. And that's going to be 8x and 3x. You then stick those in your grid, and then you factorise each row and column. You can do this in whatever order you like. In this example, I'll factorise the first row first. So for 2x squared and 8x, we can pull out a 2x. When we do that, 2x times x would give us the 2x squared, and 2x times 4 would give us the 8x. We then fill in the last box with a 3, because that's how we're going to get 3x from x times 3. And then we check that 3 times 4 is in fact 12. So that looks good. Final answer for the brackets then comes from the pink boxes. So that would be x plus 4, 2x plus 3. And those can go in either order, remember, that's fine. Example 2, let's try that again, but with some negatives. So keeping an eye on those diagonals, making sure they're always going to multiply to give you the same thing. 9x squared, negative 20. Let's multiply them. Negative 180x squared in this case. Bit harder to find factors of that one. So we want two numbers that multiply to give negative 180, but at the same time add to give negative 3. Might take you a little bit of thinking time, but you'll get there. Minus 15x plus 12x. Stick those in the grid. Again, in either order is fine. And then factorise. So I'm going to do the first column this time. 9x squared and 12x. The highest common factor there is 3. 3x. 3x times 3x. Gives us the 9x squared. 3x times 4 gives us 12x. And then 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. Means the answer is 3x minus 5, 3x plus 4. And that's it. That's it for now. If you found this video useful, please do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do share this with anyone else you think might find it helpful. Thanks, and see you next time.